I called Kelley Construction because the neighbor, it's a duplex, so the duplex has shared common roofs. This was in the middle of the winter with a foot of snow, howling winds, and they have a very unusual Mansard roof with a flat roof. I called Mike. Mike helped me out. He sent a member of his team that was well adversed, and that had helped this older lady understand what was needed. Working with Mike was good. The young man I met with originally as a team leader was very knowledgeable on the product. When the actual work was done, the crew leader answered my questions, came down on the roof and took pictures for me and helped me through the process. But more importantly, he made the other lady happy, since it's a shared building and responsibility. Unique challenges working with two masters or two homeowners. Kelley Construction has, they're good competitors. They're honest. They're similar to us because they give quality. And you guys do a multiple array of things. We enjoy working with you and even bidding against you. So would I recommend you? Yes.